And now, the area's most accurate weather forecast with Storm Surge 7 meteorologist Shelley Seitz.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed the day. A lot of folks anywhere from the center parts of the Panhandle further south saw pleasant conditions, at least warmer than what we've seen in the past, while further up to the north, not so much. Take a look at our school net sites. We'll take a look at our highs and lows. It is 39 right here in downtown Amarillo, and we only got up to 41, and that was officially our high for the day. Palo Duro High School currently sits at 39 as well. New Star even a degree below that at 38. Now further down to the south side of the city, did get up to 43 at WT, currently 41 there. 39 at the Comanche Trail Golf Complex and the Colonies. Now across the north and west, notice Clayton barely got above freezing this afternoon. Current temperature there is 34, or rather, current temperature is 31, just dropped down to 31, but the high only 34. The Holland rose up to 36 in Boise City, currently 32 there. 38, though, was the high in Stratford, currently 35. Across the north and the east, temperatures rose into the 50s here. 52 at King Ranch, current temperature 44. 49 was the high at Camp MK Brown, currently 46. While across the south and the east, it's 53 in Childress. Sam Norwood sits at 50, and 44 is your current temperature there in McLean. All those areas that didn't see any snowfall or didn't see as much snowfall are going to warm up a lot faster than the areas that saw a little more snowpack across the region. That's the reason for slightly cooler temperatures across eastern New Mexico and the southwestern parts of the High Plains. Vega currently sits at 35 degrees, 38 in Friona, also that at the NMR Plateau headquarters. Text line got up to 35 this afternoon, but currently sitting below freezing with a light northeasterly wind. Let's move on to those weather headlines, taking a look and see what happens. The mercury is expected to rise ever so slowly a little later on this weekend. Still going to be unseasonably cool, but at least a little bit warmer. But then we're going to transition into an unseasonably warm start of your work week. The high temperatures rising above 50 degrees. Be a good time to get outdoors and rake up those final leaves that are left on the ground, or hang up the Christmas lights if you haven't done that. Thunderstorm chances? Yeah, in the forecast for, well, at least one day. We'll talk about that at the end of the 7-day. Regional satellite radar composite shows plenty of mid to high level moisture across the area. A little bit of cloud cover generally. Not expecting any precipitation today or tonight or tomorrow or the next day. Current temperature is 39, 48 at Oklahoma City, 50 at Dallas-Fort Worth. But upper level disturbance is going to bring a cold front through the rest of the high plains tonight and through the day tomorrow. Expect widespread cooler temperatures. Now, as we get into the later parts of the evening and especially into early tomorrow morning, good chance we could see some patchy to widespread fog and freezing fog develop across the area early on in the morning. Low temperatures are going to drop down to around 19. Frost points are going to be around the same number. So, as we move into the latter parts of the afternoon, well, it's going to break up a bit, and we're actually going to see mostly sunny skies by late day. It's not exactly going to be warm, though, as those north to northeast winds usher in that cooler air, so expect a high only around 35. Could see a repeat of some patchy fog early in the morning on Saturday. Clears up again. Expect mostly sunny skies by the end of the day with a high a little warmer at 45 degrees. That's that mercury rising. As far as tonight's concerned, mostly clear to occasionally partly cloudy skies, becoming a little more cloudy, especially with the low clouds and freezing fog that we're expecting early on in the morning. Temperatures will be pretty cool, down in the teens and lower 20s across the area. For tomorrow, looks like that's going to clear out in the afternoon. High temperatures are going to rise into the mid-30s. Expect mostly sunny skies with light northeast to easterly winds, only around 5 to 15 miles per hour. So like I said, tomorrow's not exactly going to be warm. In fact, it's going to be cooler than what we saw across much of the area today. Clayton, folks there, you're going to be hard-pressed to see temperatures rise above freezing again. Maybe a few degrees above here in Amarillo to around 40 degrees in Childress. And your 7-day forecast again shows those temperatures climbing Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Look at Tuesday. That's that unseasonably warm weather we're looking forward to, but a cold front's going to knock us down a notch, take our temperatures down to around 49, and bring in some isolated to possibly widespread showers and thunderstorms. And that's kind of cool. I mean, right now we sit above average rainfall for the month.
That's a first this year, pretty much,
I thought
right?
so too.
I think so. The way to end the year, though, right?
Annual rainfall, pretty pathetic, but this month we're doing good.
Excellent. All right, thank you, Shelley. Well, Sandra Hayes is today's Texas Lottery winner. She gets 3 scratch-off lottery tickets, and if you'd like a chance to win, log on to Connect